Hi guys, what's up? It's Scar85 back with another unboxing. This time, as you can see, it's for Zombie Army 4 Dead War on the Xbox One. So I picked this up today and I'm really looking forward to going through this, especially in co-op. So yeah, shout out to Capo. Nice. So yeah, as you can see on the front is a zombie Nazi. So he's about to get all kinds of effed up. His glowing eyes will not be glowing for much longer, so then there's the side. And there's the back. If you thought you were safe, you're dead wrong. The year is 1946, and if you want to read that, you can. A horrifying new campaign for wonderful players. Organ busting X-ray kill cam returns. It's awesome. The biggest horde mode yet, which is hard. Epic weapons and skills and upgrades. It is Xbox One X enhanced 4K Ultra HD and HDR10. And the install size is up to 25 gig. And inside we have just a disc. So yeah, that's it for my rather quick unboxing of Zombie Army 4 Dead War on the Xbox One, guys. If you like this, please do be sure to check out my other videos. But for now, guys, thank you very much for watching, and I'll catch you later. Bye-bye.